Imagine this, glowing energy waves flowing across your screen, smooth 3D motion, futuristic colors and animations that react like they're alive. In this video, we're creating a next-generation website that feels straight out of the future. We'll design it, animate it, and even publish it all inside V0, powered completely by AI. You'll see how easy it is to control every part of your site just by describing it. So get ready, because by the end of this video, you won't just be building a website, you'll be creating a digital experience that feels alive. Let's dive in. So this is V0's official website. All you need to do to start is sign up for an account, which is totally free. And just to be clear, every tool we're going to use in this video is completely free as well. Right here, we can see a text holder where we can enter our prompt and simply describe what we want to build. Now for this tutorial, I've already prepared a fully detailed prompt for a SaaS project written with the help of ChatGPT. I've also shared all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video. You can find the link down below in the description box of this video. I'm also going to show you exactly how to use AI to create these kinds of detailed prompts, whether you already have an idea or even if you have no idea where to begin. So first, let's head over to ChatGPT and ask something like, what are some cool app ideas I can build in a day using AI tools and potentially monetize? This is a great way to get inspired with ideas that are simple, practical, and achievable, even as a beginner. And it comes with some great ideas, as you can see. You can pick any idea ChatGPT comes up with and build on it to create a solid prompt that brings it to life. But now I'm going to ask the AI, how about a SaaS app? Let's see what we get. And just like that, it gives us a complete idea for a powerful SaaS app with detailed information like monetization options, a clear target audience, and even extra features you could add later on. That's really cool. The next step is to ask the AI something like, could you suggest different sections or components this project should include from a UI and front-end perspective? And the result is amazing. It gives us a super detailed breakdown of the layout, including all the key sections you'd expect. Hero area, features, pricing, testimonials, and more. In the next step, I'll explain what I'm going to do, and I'll keep it super simple. So I ask the AI something like, I want to use V0 AI website generator. Could you turn this section information into a single clear prompt? And just like that, it generates a super detailed prompt for us. The last thing you might want to mention is the overall theme and color palette of your project. So I go ahead and say, please include in the prompt that the overall theme should be dark mode with a black background and apply subtle gradient spotlight effects across all sections. Also use the following colors as gradient accents for various elements to give it a polished look. And that's it. This way, you can easily build solid, detailed prompts that help the AI web generator fully understand what you want. And in return, it creates a high-quality website design that's either exactly what you imagined or sometimes even better. So now you can go ahead and use the prompt you just generated. So I'll just hit this arrow button to submit, and now V0 will start thinking and generating the entire layout and sections for us automatically. It usually takes about a minute for the generation to finish. And there we go, it's done generating. Let's see how amazing this turned out. First, we can see our hero section where everything immediately feels alive and futuristic. The background is glowing with smooth green and cyan energy waves, moving gently to create depth. As we scroll down, we have a section showing the main features of the website. Next, we reach a visual flow diagram showing connected glowing nodes and lines that move smoothly, symbolizing connection and focus. Everything flows naturally. The scrolling feels smooth, animations react gently, and the glowing lights tie the whole futuristic theme together. Now, don't forget, you have full control here. If there's any section or animation you'd like to change on your website, all you need to do is ask your AI. For example, let's say I don't like the animation in the background of my hero section and I want to replace it. I can simply type a new prompt explaining what I'd like to change. Remember, you have access to all the prompts I've used in this tutorial. You can find the link down below in the description. The more detailed your prompt is, the easier it will be for the AI to deliver the best results. So I'll go ahead and hit the send button, and let's wait for it to finish. There we go. It looks absolutely stunning, right? Just like that, you can add new features or completely modify your website until you get the exact result you're looking for. Next, let's add some animations to our app. Again, I'll enter my prompt, hit send, and after a few moments, our project updates. As you can see, we now have smooth, advanced animations across all the different sections. Looks perfect. All right, for the final touch, I want to add a 3D hover effect to this dashboard card in our hero section. So to do that, I'll first take a screenshot of this section and attach it to the chat. Then I'll simply add my prompt. That's all it takes. Now I just hit the send button and wait for the AI to complete the task. And there it is. Now, when we hover over the card, the 3D effect appears beautifully. All right, before we wrap up, here's something important to keep in mind. As we keep building and adding new features in Vero, our codebase updates automatically in the background. You'll always have full access to the complete source code of your project. You can even preview your app on mobile and tablet to make sure it's fully responsive across all screen sizes. Need a backend? Just connect Supabase and you've got database and authentication features ready to go. Want to share your work? Simply link your GitHub account and V0 will publish your project as a new repository instantly. And when you're ready to make it live, just connect your Vercel account, hit publish, and your site goes online in seconds. If you don't have a Vercel account yet, no worries. Just head over to vercel.com and create one. It's completely free. You can sign up using your Google account or GitHub, and you'll be ready to go in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more web dev content, and check the description for all the prompts and resources I used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.